Hey guys, here's a part one of the video. It's basically a quick unboxing of the Nest Cam IQ Outdoor. I haven't seen a whole lot of content about this camera, but I wanted to show you guys essentially what it comes with and essentially how I'm going to install it. What I like about this camera versus the standard outdoor camera is that you don't have any visible wires that anybody can cut, or you're just not susceptible to that. So number one, it's not ugly. Number two, it's probably more secure in that sense. So let me open this box up and I'll show you what's inside. Alright. So it looks like you get your camera with the mount on it. Standard lens protective cover. Put that to one side. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Back the zoom off. I'll put that down. Seems like some paperwork. 25-foot cable. Uses a USB-C, and this is the side that goes in the camera. This is the one that goes into that power adapter. Now, some people might ask, oh, since it's just USB-C, can I use any standard power adapter? And no, you cannot, because if my camera will focus, it has a variable output. So it's going to be 5 volts at 2 amps. Let me set this down because it's a little shaky. 5 volts at 2 amps. Then it's 9 volts at 3 amps and 15 volts at 1.87 amp. So I would not suggest using a standard USB-C outlet. And that's pretty much all it comes with. Part 2 will be up soon, and it'll be me essentially installing it on the outside of my house, right above my garage, right? Come on, focus. Alright, right here.